Good morning, everyone. The morning market rundown with December 16th. Let's get into this price action. So we have this new all-time high, some profit taking, a little bounce, and some consolidation. We got a 602.81 key level. You can see that on the intermediate time frame here. It's this area of support where we've been finding buyers. So if we don't just rally up and push right into 608, let's look to see if we get some profit taking at the gate, back down into the 604.50 area, start to get back above a daily VWAP, that 3-day VWAP, and then that could fuel us a push into that 608. So, and that give us a lower risk reward instead of chasing up into the 608. Get some profit taking, consolidation. You have a stop here at 603.40, 39 area, and that could give us a push to give us continuation to our golden extension here at the 628.40 area. If we do break and don't trade back above this 2-day VWAP at 604.40, look to see that decline down to 6020 and that break, and potentially we could start to see this election VWAP. You could see here that's a key level of interest at this 598.15 area. If this level breaks, we'll potentially look to see at this 50-day moving average at this 586, 588.15 area. You can see what potentially resistance could act as support. So that's our situation for the intermediate time frame. See if we just continue and push into the 608.10 area, triple top, maybe some profit taking, and then look to set up for something later in the day, 606 area, or just get some profit taking at the gate down into this 603.73 area, rally back above the daily VWAP, and that could be used as a nice stop to maybe potentially give us a break to take some profits in this triple top and get some continuation to that golden fib. Let's get over to the QQQ. The map here is still drawn. Let's clean some of this up here because we can see that that map didn't play out for the day. So now we have this situation here where we have yesterday's map, and we actually turn aftermarket hours on here. This is what we're kind of looking for. Was on Friday we mapped out was maybe we get some profit taking, rally back up, and then consolidation, consolidation. Kind of got that in the aftermarket, and then we get the push. So let's see if now brings us to today's scenario, and what I'm looking for is potentially this. See if this 530 could continue to hold. This 530 can now, that was acting as resistance, start to act as support. So that's the first key level. So this 530, a 2-day VWAP, and then look for price to bounce, get back above the daily VWAP, push it to 533, new all-time highs. We start to break below this 2-day VWAP and can't and are unable to reclaim the daily. Most likely going to see further profit taking down into this. We could break the 3-day VWAP down into this 527.01 area, where you could see where we had the gap. We're starting to hold support here. Last week's VWAP down here at 526.50. So those are 3 key levels here. Maybe we get some profit taking down into this area. We get a engulfing day. We engulfed the previous day. So, or we just get some continuation. So again, none of this is prediction. So I'm looking for a pullback to the 2-day VWAP, get back above daily VWAP, push it to 533, and continuation of new all-time highs. Can't reclaim the daily VWAP and break underneath this 528.80. Watch out for further decline down to 527, 526. This is my key level. That if we do start to break this 526, then it gets really caution and most likely to start to see a further decline. Let's get that anchor for the election up here as well. Sync it. Yeah, and then this. So if we do break this 526, great. Initially, it's okay, But if we break and fall, we'll start to add all this data. That 5 day is going to start to curl, and then we're probably going to most likely see this 513 area with the election VWAP. Hopefully this was helpful.